So now I've got this great big pane of glass in the side of my van. I need to do one more thing, and that's to insulate it. Otherwise in the summer my van will become an oven, and in the winter it'll just get all wet and nasty. So that's what this video is all about. Now if you remember in my last video I told you not to throw away that big metal panel that we cut out, and this is exactly why, because I'm going to use that metal panel to make a template to make insulation board to go on the inside of my van. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use the metal panel that I cut out of the door, the box that the glass came in, to make a template for my insulation panel that's going to attach to the glass on the inside to insulate it, to stop the heat coming in and the cold going out. Or is it the other way around? The heat coming in and the heat going out. Anyway, that's what I'm going to use it for. Now it's no good me just drawing around this metal panel, because if I just draw around the metal panel, the actual panel that's going to go against the glass won't be big enough. What I need to do is have it about 1 inch away from this, so it's 1 inch larger than the window, so it fits in the recess in the door. I'll show you what I mean inside the van. But to do this I'm going to use this little round circle of wood, which is about 1 inch or 2 inches. It should be about right, and simply put that against the it's going to be a bit fiddly this, but yeah, you get the idea. So from above you can see that I've drawn a line about 1 inch away from the panel all the way around. Now I'll take you inside the van and you'll see exactly why I've done this. Now the reason I've made my template slightly bigger than the glass is because of this lip here. So hopefully my panel that's going to go up against this glass is going to fit inside this lip, and it's going to be held there by magnets all the way around. So the next job is simply to cut it out. We can now get rid of this. We don't need this anymore. That's now done its job. Oops. Now find myself a nice pair of scissors and cut this big panel out. Now the reason I didn't use a knife to cut it out and I used a pair of scissors is because you can tend to get a nice straighter line with scissors than you do with a knife. Now we've got our template, the wind picks up. Now I've got a nice table to work with. Now to make my insulating panel I'm going to be using my DoDo mat. My DoDo Thermo liner, made by DoDo mat. It's what I use to insulate the side panels to get them nice and thin, to give me that 6 foot wide sprinter bed. Now I've put the template inside the van up against the window, and it does need to be about another inch longer down here, so I've marked it on there 1 inch more. So what I'm going to do, when I finally get this laid out, not the easiest stuff to work with, but it's all cold. The sun is, luckily the sun's come out. Hopefully once this warms up it gets a bit more flexible. Right. What I'm going to do is I'll put the template on here and have it about 1 inch above there, maybe a little bit more, because you can always take more off, you can never put more on, remember. I think see about 1 inch more than we need. I'm going to mark this out, and as I come down here just carry it on down to that edge. The same on this side. You just bring it round, hopefully that's going to fit. Actually I think on that it will fit, be positive. Right, so I've cut my panel out, there it is in all its splendour. Hopefully that will fit against my glass panel inside the van. Let's go inside the van and check it out just to make sure it fits before I cut out the auto carpet and cover it. So back inside the van, and I'll need to now put it up against the window and make sure it fits. I want it to fit kind of snugly but not too tight, but because I'm going to use magnets to hold it in place. And like I said, I want the silver part against the glass for its reflective properties. Right, so let's see if this has worked. Let's have a look. It looks like it's going to fit. Can you see that? Hang on, let's face it out. I want it to go flat against it. I don't want the magnets to have to pull it. I want the magnets to just hold it in place. So now I know my panel fits in the aperture of the window. What I've done, I've stuck these little round magnets all the way around it. I've used quite a few because they're not really that strong. So yeah, and I've got these from Home Base. I'll just show you the packet. For those of you that are interested, yeah, it just says assorted magnets, and they're from Home Base. Right, so now this is all done. I've checked it fits, it all stays in place. So now all I need to do is cover it with auto carpet. Nothing worse than getting auto carpet stuck to your fingers. You kind of get this fluffy finger effect. You end up looking like a right muppet. It's bad enough as it is. Make sure it's in the right place before I let go. Right. Well, it's relatively quick. Run it like that. Flip it over and now fold these over and glue the edges down, and then get another bit of auto carpet, put it straight on top and trim it around the edges, and it shouldn't look too bad. Can I get this in the bin? This is the question. Shot. Right, back on with this. Right, just stuck down now. No, but this. Thought I had it upside down then, because you've got a good side and a bad side to this auto carpet. Right. Same as before, only this time we're not going to tuck this over, we're going to trim it nice and flush. Have I got this round the right way? Yeah. It's always good to pause for a moment and just think about what you're doing. Right. Now this is going to be super sticky because it's already got adhesive on it as well. So, oops. Let's do some more fast swoop. Find my scissors now. Here I have. Now, I think I can. I'm just going to trim this right close to the edge, and hopefully it's not going to look too bad. I'm not so sure. Right, let's jump inside the van, see if it's any good. See if it works. So here we are back in the van. Let's see if this panel actually fits now and stays in place. Now I'm not too sure about these magnets, they're not really that strong, and I think because they've got the whole panel has to kind of bend over to make magnetic contact against the metal frame of the door, it's kind of working against me. So I will later on. I've got some more of these magnets. I'll just quickly show you. You can see they're quite thick, so if I put these on the door as well, then the magnets that are in this will make contact with those, and I think it'll make it a lot better. But I want to glue these in place so they don't move around, but that's a job for a rainy day. But for now, let's just make sure it fits and stays in place. I'll tuck it behind the button there. See, it kind of, you have to kind of hold it there to make it make contact. It needs to form itself around the edge. Oh, something with my head. Just tuck it in the bottom, tuck it around. There we go. And it, yeah, definitely going to need those extra magnets, I think. Get it down the bottom. There you go, it stays in place just about, so I'm definitely going to have to put those extra magnets in. But anyway, it'll do for now. It's going to offer some kind of insulation and privacy at night as well. Although this glass, I think it's about 80% tint. During the day you can't see in, but at night when there's lights on inside the van you can most definitely see in. But the only thing is you can't see out. But that I think will suffice. That will do its job. It'll do exactly what it's meant to do. So if you like this video, please do give me the thumbs up, and don't forget, if you are new to my channel, please do consider subscribing, and by subscribing to my channel you'll help me feed a cat, and I've got two and they're both hungry. Thanks for watching, ta-ra for now. Nope. If it don't rain. As he says that, it starts to rain. We'll start this video again in a minute. Can't believe it actually started raining. Right on cue.